Chimney.
Chimney.
Santa Claus comes down the chimney.
The chimney needs to be cleaned.
Carol singers.
Carol singers.
Carol singers were performing in the town square.
We joined the carol singers and sang along.
Star.
Star.
The star on top of the tree is shining brightly.
We saw a shooting star last night.
Bells.
Bells.
The church bells rang on Christmas morning.
Sleigh bells jingle in the snow.
Ornament.
Ornament.
We hung colorful ornaments on the Christmas tree.
The ornament was made of glass.
Wreath.
Wreath.
A wreath hung on the front door.
The wreath was decorated with ribbons.
Candy cane.
Candy cane.
He gave each child a candy cane.
The candy cane had a peppermint flavor.
Stocking.
Stocking.
The children hung their stockings by the fireplace.
Santa filled the stocking with toys and candy.
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree.
We decorated the Christmas tree together.
The Christmas tree was tall and full.
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus.
The children waited for Santa Claus to arrive.
Santa Claus wears a red suit.
Mrs. Claus.
Mrs. Claus.
Mrs. Claus helps Santa prepare for Christmas.
Stories tell of Mrs. Claus baking cookies.
Reindeer.
Reindeer.
Santa's reindeer pull his sleigh.
Rudolph is a famous reindeer.
Sleigh.
Sleigh.
Santa travels in a sleigh.
The sleigh was pulled by reindeer.
Snowman.
Snowman.
We built a snowman in the yard.
The snowman had a carrot for a nose.
Gingerbread.
Gingerbread.
We made gingerbread cookies for Christmas.
The gingerbread house was decorated with candy.
Present.
Present.
I received many presents for Christmas.
The present was wrapped in colorful paper.
Holly.
Holly.
Holly was used to decorate the mantelpiece.
The holly berries are bright red.
Fireplace.
Fireplace.
We hung our stockings by the fireplace.
The fire in the fireplace kept us warm.
Toys.
Toys.
Santa brought many toys for the children.
The children played with their new toys.
Elf.
Elf.
Santa's elves help him make toys.
The elf had pointy ears.
Candle.
Candle.
We lit candles on Christmas Eve.
The candle had a pleasant scent.
Christmas hat.
Christmas hat.
He wore a Christmas hat with a pom-pom.
The Christmas hat kept his head warm.
Snow globe.
Snow globe.
She shook the snow globe and watched the snow fall.
The snow globe showed a winter scene.
Christmas glove.
Christmas glove.
She wore Christmas gloves to keep her hands warm.
The Christmas gloves had snowflakes on them.
North Pole.
North Pole.
Santa Claus lives at the North Pole.
The North Pole is covered in ice and snow.
Christmas pudding.
Christmas pudding.
We had Christmas pudding with brandy butter.
The Christmas pudding was full of dried fruit.
Turkey.
Turkey.
We roasted a turkey for Christmas.
The turkey was served with stuffing and gravy.
Family.
Family.
We spent Christmas with our family.
It's important to be with family during the holidays.
Snowflakes.
Snowflakes.
Snowflakes were falling gently from the sky.
Each snowflake is unique.
Fairy lights.
Fairy lights.
We decorated the tree with fairy lights.
The fairy lights twinkled brightly.